Sometimes, different models of walkie-talkies, even when set to the same channel, still cannot communicate with each other. In such cases, we can use the one-touch frequency matching feature of the XA301 walkie-talkie to resolve the issue. This function is very simple to use, and the following are the specific steps. First, ensure that the walkie-talkie is turned off. Then press and hold the PTT push-to-talk button and the function button simultaneously. These two buttons need to be pressed and held together. While holding down these two buttons, turn on the walkie-talkie. At this point, you will see the walkie-talkie's indicator light turn to a steady green, indicating that the walkie-talkie has entered the receiving mode. Next, on the other walkie-talkie that needs to be matched, press and hold its PTT button to start transmitting the frequency. After a few seconds, you will hear a beep sound, indicating that the frequency matching was successful. Now the two walkie-talkies can communicate with each other normally.